Hi everyone, we're headed down to the farm today. There's corn being harvested and the ground needs worked. I miss Mayberry, sitting on a porch drinking ice cold cherry. I'm with Uncle Reggie in the grain truck.
It'll hold around 600 bushel, somewhere around in there. It can hold a little bit more, but we don't like to overload it. So around the farm, we might put a little bit more in it. But when we're on the road, we like to keep it under the limit. So.
And then you guys kind of made this, right?
Yeah, actually, the truck itself used to be a scale truck. Took the bed off of it, and we bought the grain bed itself and ended up putting it on ourselves. Yes.
Oops. Just switching out the grain semis for Brock. He's up there in Grandpa's combine just getting some more corn off. There goes Bobby and the boys. We'll go ride with them in a little bit. They've been working on corn now for a couple days. We've had really cooperative weather. It's been nice. Coming to unload. Taking a little break to have supper. We're gonna do a couple rounds. Yeah, see this bright today.
Good corn in here.
So what year did you get the farm?
Dad bought it in 1963, the fall of 62. My brother bought that farm down there. Dad bought it all, and then in the spring we bought this. Each of us bought 240 acres, I think there is.
Okay, let's go drive over and see what the boys are doing. They're way down there. I'm just gonna wait till they come back up.
workhorses he has right now. He's had it for about 10 years. You get a lot of use out of this tractor, and it's a real reliable tractor.
If we find any corn that got left behind, we'll grab it and then put it in front of the trail cameras to bring the deer in. Not finding much, that's a good thing. And by the way, are you guys interested in the white-tailed deer hunting? Let me know, because if you are, I can make hunting videos.
That's good.
Yeah, go put that in the mule. We got trail cameras here and out at Mom and Dad's, and we just have a lot of fun looking at all the wildlife. Well guys, Bobby's gonna keep working ground for a little bit. The boys and I are gonna head home and have something to eat, but we had a fun evening. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't, and thank you for watching.